My name is Kyle Murto. I'm the assistant coach of eSports here at Blinn College. Unfortunately, the head coach, Aaron Capico, could not make it today. But we're here at the Bryan campus, and today I'm going to be showcasing some of the equipment that's going to be in our eSports arenas for this upcoming semester. So on the left, we have the Alienware gaming monitor. It's 24.5 inches, has a 240 megahertz refresh rate, and a 1 millisecond response time. On my right here, we have the Alienware Aurora R11. Comes with a 10th gen i7 Intel processor with 16 gigabytes of one-channel memory, 1 terabyte of NVMe storage, an NVIDIA RTX 2080 Super 8, and then has a 1,000 watt power supply and liquid cooling. So what does this mean for the athlete? It means that you'll be able to run your games at the highest quality, no lag, and with one of the highest response rates available. This is just some of the equipment that we will be running in our arenas in both the Brenham and the Bryan campus for this upcoming semester. If you're interested in the program, tryouts begin August 10th. In addition, we will also be looking for several supportive roles that include manager, analyst, and streaming positions. So if you're interested, please go to the website and fill out a registration and a tryout form. Thank you for tuning in, everybody. It has been a pleasure. Me and Aaron are looking forward to this upcoming semester and getting to meet every one of you and to see this program grow. Thank you very much.